and wisdom. By the grace of the divine power, we will enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, prosperity, and wisdom. By the grace of divine power, we will enjoy good health, long life, enough wealth, prosperity, and wisdom. Blessings. Bless your life partner. Bless your children. Bless your brothers and sisters. Bless your close relatives and friends. Bless all those who are associated with your day-to-day activities. Bless the enemies or miscreants, if any, that may also change and lead a corrected life. Vedatriyam propounded by our Guru Vedatri Maharishi, be blessed by the divine. The World Community Service Center, be blessed by the divine. The Temple of Consciousness, be blessed by the divine. Alia Sky Trust, be blessed by the divine. Twofold moral culture, I in my life will not cause any suffering to the body or mind of any person. I will strive to remove the miseries of others to the extent possible. I in my life will not cause any suffering to the body or mind of any person. I will strive to remove the miseries of others to the extent possible. I in my life will not cause any suffering to the body or mind of any person. I will strive to remove the miseries of others to the extent possible. Be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine. World prayer. May the leaders of every nation intuitively attain divine realization. The boundaries of all nations, guided by a force common to every country, may all men live without rancor of fear, working for a living or what disappear. May the people all over the world find lasting peace which fills their mind. Be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine. Rain blessing. May there be rainfall in adequate strength so that lakes, ponds, wells, and rivers are filled to the brim. May people live in prosperity through ennoblement of character. May there be rainfall in adequate strength so that lakes, ponds, wells, and rivers are filled to the brim. May people live in prosperity through ennoblement of character. May there be rainfall in adequate strength so that lakes, ponds, wells, and rivers are filled to the brim. May people live in prosperity through ennoblement of character. Be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine, be blessed by the divine. May peace prevail on us. May peace prevail around us. May peace prevail all over the world. Peace, peace, peace. Be blessed by the divine. Rub the palms gently together. Place them over the eyes and then gently wipe the face with the palms. Raise the hands over the head. Take a gentle deep breath and release it. Bring the hands down by sideways and then open the eyes gently. Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Thank you, Amma.
வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. Today, 9th October 2020, Friday evening. Thanks, Professor Dr. G. Shanti, for taking the Shanti meditation. Now, let us move on the speech by our senior professor. Be blessed by the divine. After a blissful Shanti meditation, with immense pleasure, I'm delighted to welcome you all for today's online satsang organized by World Community Service Center Area IT Team English. The total odds are 64, according to the wise, but without the benefits of Kayakalpa, all knowledge is perishers with death by Vedatri Maharshi. Today, we are going to know Kayakalpa Vriksham towards the end of the session. Kayakalpa is one of the art given by Siddhas for mankind to understand the finer aspects. I am very much pleased to invite our beloved Sky Senior Professor, Vision Director Dr. K. Perumal sir to present this evening English spiritual session and enlightening us with his profound and knowledge and wisdom. Sir is from Dindukal. He worked as a professor in physics department at Sri Ramakrishna Mission College, Coimbatore for 33 years. Under his guidance, 10 scholars completed PhD and 25 students completed MPhil. Around 50 papers were published in national and international journals in physics stream. Sir has also been awarded as Best NSS Program Officer in state level. Sir got introduced to Swamiji in the year 1981 and spent his time with Swamiji actively thereafter. He became the Director of Vision during the year 2004 and currently looks after the development activities, coordination with study centers, and a syllabus framing for Vedatrium courses. Sir is in charge for all MPhil and PhD works in Vision Department. He is also the in charge of digital library in Arya. Work from home, like work out the yoga from home, the online vision classes is conducted by him with great efforts. We have such renowned personality here, Sky Senior Professor Dr. K. Perumal sir with us tonight to give a speech on Kayakalpa Vriksham. Over to you, sir.
Be blessed by divine. Be blessed by divine. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, wisdom, and peace. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Respected Sky professors, respected IT team, and dear Sky members, brothers and sisters, I'm really very much happy to share some of the views about the art of the Kayakalpa. It has been said as the Vriksham, a small seed when it sprouts and it becomes a big tree, giving a lot of benefits to the people and the society. The Kayakalpa, that art is found to be a simple technique which takes only 10 minutes in a day, and it gives a lot of benefits. Or even we can say that Kayakalpa that comes as the apex of the simplified Kundalini Yoga system. Such a wonderful technique Swamiji has given to the entire mankind. Now the people are very much afraid of the corona, and every day thousands of people are dying. Why? Because of the low immunity level. And already the people are affected with so many diseases. They get affected by these diseases. And we are searching for a vaccine for this corona. And large number of countries and institutions are working upon that. Surely they may come out with success within a few months. But however, our Siddhas have given us so many techniques on that, even without any medicine, yes, the body immunity level can be improved. Swamiji has analyzed in depth for over a period of 40 years, and he has finalized, synthesized, and he has given to the entire mankind. Such a wonderful technique, the Kayakalpa. So it gives benefits to all the people of all age. Generally, we fix the age as 14 years and above for learning Kayakalpa. Yes, after the physical maturity level. So this technique is helpful for all the people, the children above the age of 14, the elders, the man, the woman, particularly the teenagers, all are benefited. The Kayakalpa, when we do the Asani Mudra, we concentrate the mind at the Mooladhara. That is something equal to the Santi meditation. What we have done now. Whenever you do the Ojas breath, you take the energy up, Duriam is activated. Then when you spread the energy throughout the body during the Ojas breath, that is equal to the Nityananda meditation. So we can say that within 1 minute, you do 3 meditations, Santi, Duriyam, and Nityananda. Such a wonderful technique, this one. And even the person, they will be saying that some of the centers are not properly activated while doing the meditations for the beginners. As and when they get the Kayakalpa training, doing the Asani Mudra and Ojas breath, then all the centers will be activated easily. They can enjoy that, the pressure developing at all the centers. Such a wonderful technique, the Kayakalpa. And this system should go to the entire world. Now we can see that particularly the teenage people are suffering a lot. They have been induced through so many medias, and they are always thinking about the unwanted things, and they are tempted to commit mistakes. The biological urge is there during the teenage. There is no way out for them. And there is a age by which that the physical urge will be coming there. That makes them to commit mistakes, to deviate from the normal way of life. But if the people are getting this Kayakalpa training, if they do that Asani Mudra and the Ojas breath, and that biological urge will be controlled instantaneously, and they will become good. So now in the society, we can see that almost all the victims, they commit the mistakes because they are unable to control their emotions within a second or two. If they are able to control that emotions in that emergency seconds, then they would not have committed such mistakes and would not have suffered to the extent. So if anybody who does Kayakalpa regularly, surely they can easily control their biological urge, and they will never deviate from the normal way of life. Now the chastity is an important one for a cultural development, for a harmonious family, and for bringing up our children in a positive way. The deviating from the natural norms, that disturbs the family and the society. Why they deviate? They are unable to manage over that biological urge coming during such an occasion. But anybody could ask this Kayakalpa regularly, easily they can control that. So everybody during the age of teenage and that biological urge, particularly we call as a sex urge, that becomes inevitable to all the people, not only the people, for all the living beings also. Because of that only the generations, it's continuing there. Maybe the animal being or maybe the human being. The generation continues because of that sex feeling for the living being. We cannot say it's a bad one. Actually, we can say it's a divine feeling. If the feelings were not there for my parents, my mother and the father, I would not have been born here. So the feeling which are responsible for my birth, I don't say it's a bad one. actually the nature has given for the continuance of the generations, but it has to be understood properly. It is for the generation to continue, for the birth of children, and for also leading a harmonious life in the family. To that level, it has to be utilized. But because of the media interventions and the unnecessary cinema and other influences, the youth are spoiled. They are tempted to commit mistakes, particularly in the teenage. They have abundance of energy, both physically and mentally. All these energies are stored in the vital fluid. So the stored energy, if it is properly utilized, if it is properly channelized, that becomes the energy of the brain. That becomes the intelligence of that particular individual. If he is a student, then his academic performance will be improving. His discipline will be improving. His movement with the society, that will be improving. And later on, he will become a good citizen if he gets a control over that energy. If he doesn't know the technique how to control that energy, then that spoils him and diverts him from the natural stream of life. Such a wonderful technique Swamiji has given. So it's a boon to all the people. Now here in Aliyar, you all be knowing, we have a research center. In this research center, that 60 MPhil scholars and 75 PhD scholars are working on that. A large number of students, they have made research on the Kayakalpa and the benefits in different ways. Yes, the Kayakalpa gives a lot of benefits. There's one scholar, she is also Dr. Santi, the Siddha doctor from Aliyar. She has done a research on the effect of Kayakalpa for the women who are having polycystic ovary syndrome. She has taken some 60 samples. 30 has been allotted for the experimental group and 30 has been allotted for the control group. The experimental group has been given the Kayakalpa training for 4 months, and they have been introduced to pre-test and the post-test scanning reports, everything. And you can see that 30 people who did the Kayakalpa continuously for 4 months, the polycystic ovaries, the polycystic syndrome, that completely disappeared within 4 months. And also among the 30 people, and earlier, the infertility rate that has been also tested. After doing this Kayakalpa for 4 months, 17 people, they get conceived. So it is clear that polycystic ovary syndrome and also help to solve that infertility problem. Even now, some of the students are taking that infertility problem using this Kayakalpa techniques. Particularly the Kayakalpa, along with the deer exercise, it gives very good effect for those women suffering from menstrual disorders. It takes only 10 minutes in a day. That too, not continuously. Morning 3 minutes and evening 3 minutes, every meal 1 minute, and when we go to the bed 1 minute. So totally it takes 10 minutes. And after that, during drinking water, you can have 1 or 2 minutes. That may be taken as extra. So generally it requires only 10 minutes in a day. That 10 minutes gives the immunity to the body, and you can live long for 100 years without any disease. Now I'm sure with all the experience, and now I could see the people all over the world, the Sky members who have taken the initiation, who are doing that physical exercise and the Kayakalpa regularly, they are not affected by the corona disease. Even though the corona is killing the people daily, thousands and thousands of people are dying here. And to my experience and to my knowledge, I don't find any Sky member is suffering due to corona. If any member who does our physical exercise and the Kayakalpa regularly, without any discontinuity, he need not be afraid of any disease, either it may be corona or maybe any disease, because automatically the immunity level goes high, and whatever may be the disease, it won't enter into your body, because all the body cells, they have that immunity level, and it protects the body from any disease. Such a wonderful technique, the Kayakalpa technique, Swamiji has given here. And he has made research over that more than 40 years. Now we are all searching for the vaccine, and we don't know when that will be coming to the society. And so many companies are trying for it. And which company will be giving first, we don't know that. But if the Kayakalpa technique goes to the entire world, and that itself is enough, we can come out of this corona problem very easily. While doing that Asani Mudra, that energy is channelized during the Vajas breath, it is distributed throughout the cells. Wherever it requires, yes, it goes there and supplements. All the disease can be cured. We can say this Kayakalpa is a Sarva Roga Nivarani. So it's a medicine to all the diseases, not only for a particular disease. Why the diseases are coming there? Because of the low immunity. Why we get the low immunity? Because the 5 limitations we generally exceed: the food, the rest, work, the sex, and the thoughts. Generally, we the people, we go against these 5 limitations. So that's why our energy, we lose our energy, and we lose the immunity also. So we have to suffer for it. But if you do that Kayakalpa regularly, along with that, if you could follow the 5 limitations also, surely the abundance of energy will be there in the body. Generally, we say that the energy inside the body, that's also biomagnetism, and the energy of the universe we call as the universal magnetism. So this biomagnetism energy that helps for our physical activity, the 80% goes for the physical activity, and the 20% that goes for the mental activity. Therefore, if the energy is full inside the body, the physical activity and the mental activity, everything will be going nicely. And you can do anything which you like. The memory will be very high, and we can live for a long time. So the Kayakalpa exercise, the training, that postpones the aging process. It helps maintain the youthfulness. So generally, the people, they can live for 100 years. The Siddhas who have been practicing this Kayakalpa sincerely, they have lived for 200 years and 300 years. We have heard about them. And even in some of the temples, we could hear that Jiva Samadhis are there. That is, even now, the Siddhas, they are living there. The body is not decomposed or destroyed. It is there. And the life force is circulating inside the body. And the vibrations coming there that make them as a, what we can say, the divine atmosphere. It creates a divine atmosphere, the serene atmosphere. So anybody who goes there and enjoys that serene atmosphere, then all the divine thoughts are induced, the divine feelings are induced, the harmonious relationships are induced in such a way that Jiva Samadhis, they are helping the people throughout the world. How it happens? Because of the Kayakalpa technique, that vital fluid has been churned, and it has been thickened, it has been maintained inside the body, It doesn't go out of the body until it remains inside the body. The life force will be there inside the body, and the body will not decompose. They may live for 100 years, 200 years, 500 years, or 1,000 years. Till then, that serene atmosphere will be surrounding them, and whoever goes there, they will enjoy the benefits. In such a way that our Siddhas, they have proved this technique. And particularly for the women, it's a boon for the women, and it's a boon for the students community. Compared to the men, the women are suffering more physically because of their menstrual cycles and the menstrual disorders. Anybody who does this Kayakalpa regularly, they can easily come out of all these menstrual disorder problems. And we have given this Kayakalpa training to school-going children and the college-going children. And we found that academic performance is improving slowly and gradually. Every month we can see that performance is going high. Even an average student, if he continues the Kayakalpa training, surely one day he will become the best student of the class. Such a wonderful technique, the Kayakalpa technique. So if this Kayakalpa training is given to all the students all over the world, surely they will do the academic performance in a very, very, very good way, and they will not be diverted to any other wrongful deeds. And now the people are suffering that. The students, the teenagers, they are unable to control their feeling. That's why they get spoiled there. And they are encouraged by the medias. And they could not see the real models for them. Generally, the students, they take the cinema actors and the politicians as their models. They are not the real models. Actually, they spoil the student's life. And if the Kayakalpa training is given to them, if all the students, they do the Kayakalpa, surely they will not get spoiled. They can easily control over their unwanted biological urge. They will study well, and they will become good citizens of the nation. That's why we are insisting the school education to adopt this technique. We are trying in all the ways, but though we are not finding the success to the full level, but however, we are making an attempt. Now, the World Community Service Center is giving this Kayakalpa training through all the centers, through all the sub-centers. This Kayakalpa training is given. And now we have started the online program also. Through the online program also, we are giving the Kayakalpa training. And by the gracious concern of our WCC President, S.K. Mailanandamaya, the online education has been introduced by him on the International Yoga Day, June 21st. Then from July 1st onwards, and we are conducting this online course education, Sky Yoga education. So every month, from the 1st to 12th, there is one foundation course going on. And 16th to 27th, another foundation course is going on. In Tamil, English, and Kannada medium, it's going on there. The foundation course, which consists of the physical exercise, the Kayakalpa, and the meditations. So the Kayakalpa comes there in the foundation course, and besides that, we have a separate Kayakalpa program also on every second Saturday. On every second Saturday, we have the special Kayakalpa program for all the people, anybody above the age of 14, they can learn and enjoy the benefits. So it gives benefits to all the people, the children above the age of 14, the students, the men, the women, and all the people. Now we could see the hospitals are crowded with people of different diseases. Why such diseases are coming there? We deviate from the natural norms. That is by the 5 limitations: the food, the work, the rest, sex, and the thoughts. How far we deviate, that much we suffer. If we could adjust and limit that and the 5 moderations, and along with that, if we follow that high upper training, surely the problem will not be there. Hospitals will not be crowded. Any disease can be solved easily. It takes only 10 minutes in a day. The people who are believing the horoscope, I'm sure, and what is the age given there in the horoscope? If you do the Kayakalpa, surely more than some 15 years, 30 years, you can live what has been mentioned there in your horoscope. Such a wonderful technique. You all know that Samuji, who lived for 95 years, actually, according to horoscope, his age is only 56. Then how he lived for another 40 years? This Kayakalpa, and again the exercise and the meditation, what he has given to the world, that he practices sincerely. That's why he lived for a long time. The people, they are born here to live for 100 years. They are not here to die within the age of 40, 50, or 60. They can live for 100 years. Yes, it becomes reality if you do the Kayakalpa regularly. And you need not be afraid of the death. Swamiji will be generally saying that everybody we know the date of birth and we don't know the date of death. But one day we have to face it. There is no other way out. Yes, most probably the date of death is coming to all the people accidentally, unexpectedly. Why? You can fix that date of death also. When you feel that you have completed all the work in the earth, then you can fix a date and you can go out smoothly. At the same time, you can help the society till you are living here. Such a wonderful technique. See, it has only the 2 items, which is called as the Aswini Mudra and the Ojas breath, that you can learn through the Sky Centers or through the online yoga courses that you can learn there. Almost all our centers are giving this Kayakalpa training. We have some 400 trusts, and each trust will be having some 5 to 10 centers. So totally we have some 2,500 sub-centers, and there are some 16,000 Sky professors to teach this technique. Almost all these centers, the programs are going and from morning to evening. Particularly Alia, which is a biggest training center here, the programs are going on almost all the days. The foundation course is going on here, the introspection, the Brahmanyanam, the personal contact program, all the programs are going on here. Similarly, in all the centers, all the programs are going according to the space availability. Now the system is spread all over the world. Almost all the foreign countries, we have the centers. And the people are joining. And now the Vedantariyam is slowly spreading all over the world. Swamiji has started this organization in the year 1958. So during that 1958, he assured the people around him that in another 150 years, the Vedantariyam will spread to the entire world, and all the people will follow that, the Vedantariyam principle, and everybody will practice this Manavalakala Yoga or the simplified Kundalini Yoga. He assured the people, but the people were surprised. Swamiji, if it is going to happen for another 150 years after, then we will not be there. You will not be also there. Then how we can enjoy the benefits? Swamiji again apprised that, see, the society will be continuing. We are a part of the society. So taking the habit of the society, in the cultural change of the society, that 150 years has been decided. Yeah, in the 150 years now, 62 years are over. The remaining 88 years are there. Within the remaining 88 years, this Manavalakala Yoga and the Kayakalpa Yoga, it should go to the entire world. So now this is the time for us to take this message to all the people around us. I request all our members, all our Sky professors, all our Sky members, and all those who are interested in serving this society, you please take this message to all the corners of the world. If all the people, they practice the Kayakalpa exercise and the meditation sincerely, then they will be the real resource persons to the society. They should reach all the corners, and everybody in the world, they should know about the training. Yes, through the media, the TV and other things, we don't think we can reach that. But if you the people think, and if you the people bless continuously, and if you the people canvass this continuously through your personal contacts, if you could contact 10 persons daily through your phone and convince them, at least 1 or 2 can come and join. You think it over there? If you could contact 10 persons in a day and convince 1 or 2 to join the foundation course, let them join the foundation course or Kayakalpa program, either at the trust or the sub-centers or through the online courses they can join. Now you see that in a month, you can admit minimum 30 to 50 people you can admit. If all the 16,000 Sky professors are making that attempt, if all could attempt some 50 persons in a month, then you see a wide range of people will be getting benefited. So now this is the time for us. And I request all of you, see, Swamiji has done wonderful job. And to now we can say, so more than 75 lakhs of people have been trained under the Sky system. So because of the effort of the Swamiji, now 75 lakhs of people are getting trained, are following the Sky system. They are enjoying the benefits of the Sky system. If Swamiji could do for 75 lakhs of people, why not you and me for another hundreds of people? Yes, we can take it as a challenge. Each one of us, we will assure that through us, minimum 100 people and will be introduced to the system. So this is the real service we can do for the society. Whatever the service you do in another way, let it be there. So they are all, when considered to this spiritual service of spreading the knowledge to the entire world, all the services are inferior, we can say. This spiritual service, taking the message of Swamiji to each and every house, surely there will be a change. Now all the people are contained within the house, afraid of the corona. They are unable to move the house. You don't worry about them. If all the people practice this sincerely, surely they will not, they need not be afraid of the corona or any disease. And also if the young couple, if they get trained here, then the children born later on, and they will be hale and healthy. கருவிலே திருவடியார் என்று சொல்கிறார்களே, அப்படிப்பட்ட நல்ல குழந்தைகளை பெற்றெடுக்க முடியும். Now almost you can see all the college students and the school going students after the age of 14, because of the abundance energy within the body and the mental level, they almost get diverted. And that is a turning point for their life. If they could concentrate and channelize their energy, I think they'll be becoming the successful persons in the world. But because of the atmospheric conditions and the societal influence and the influence of the media, most of the youth, they are spoiled now. So I request all of you, please take this message to 50 students or 100 students. And you can go to the schools and the colleges and inform the headmasters and the principals about the advantages of this Kayakalpa and make the people to do the Kayakalpa. And you can give concession rates or whatever may be there. And according to the norms of our Old Community Service Center, you can give the training to all the people. And if all the students all over the world, if there is a chance for them to take this Kayakalpa effectively, surely they will be the good citizens. The youth now, they are going to become the good citizens of the nations. They are going to develop the entire, the structures and the integration, everything that will be coming only after them. So if we make the youth so strong, physically and mentally strong, then surely we can expect a future society, a very good cultured society. So with this, I request all our friends, all our Sky members, please, you take this message to all the corners of the world. Through you, you try to admit minimum of 100 people to the Sky. See, when in the Bhakti Marka, when we build a temple, and if a Kumbhabhishek was done for the new temple, and we say it's a great punyam. Similarly, if any people is admitted through you for this yoga course, it is something equivalent to building a new temple with crores and crores of money. Once he gets turned, the entire family will be benefited. The entire society will be benefited. So such a wonderful changes will be occurring there in the world. So I request all the friends, all the Sky members, please take this message to all the corners. And through you, minimum 100 people may be admitted, either directly through the centers or through the online courses. So with that, let me conclude this one. So the Kayakalpa Vricham, really it's a Vricham. Yeah, a small seed that makes a big tree. The Kayakalpa, which rejuvenates the life force, the life force particles are very, very smaller in the universe. They are smaller than the electrons also. But at the same time, when they are stored, when they are properly channelized, it does wonders in the human life. So with that, I thank the organizers for giving me a chance to say about the Kayakalpa and its benefits. I request the audience to take this message to all the corners of the world and make the Kayakalpa program effective and make our Manavala Kalai or simplified Kundalini Yoga program effective. May all the people learn this technique and enjoy these benefits. Be blessed by divine. Be blessed by divine. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, wisdom, and peace. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Be blessed by divine. Be blessed by divine.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine. Thank you so much, sir. Here, sharing some highlight points from his speech. Practicing 10 minutes Kayakalpa regularly to prevent the onset of diseases, retain youth, live long for 100 years. Physical and mental health improves. The biological urge is controlled. It helps protect our health and chastity. Students' knowledge and discipline and memory will be improved. Practicing Kayakalpa helps to sort out infertility problem. It cures menstrual problems in women. It's boon for the woman. It is the boon for the students community. It helps beget healthy and intelligent children. Thank you, sir. This was an excellent speech and have taken the subject with ease and comfort. Now we learn how Kayakalpa is much important to our life at this pandemic situation, taken from the link of your speech. On behalf of all Sky Yoga practitioners, we thank you, sir, for sharing your astonishing, valuable thoughts with us. Now, the forum is open for the discussion and clarification if required. Please click the raise hand button in your Zoom app to clarify your doubts regarding today's topic to our professor. While you are getting ready for questions, we have a few important announcements to make. Life, as we know, it has changed in these past few months. For most of us, living is uncertainty and extremely difficult undertaking. To avoid the pandemic situation, to immunize ourselves regularly, we have to practice yoga, and it is very much important to our life. On popular demand, our World Community Service Center has introduced online yoga courses in 3 languages, Tamil, English, and Kannada. For more details, visit kundaliniyoga.edu.in and check all the relevant details. We request you to recommend to all your friends and relatives to join the Sky Yoga course in online mode, to get the perspective of life, to lead the life happily. Given the seriousness of developing immunity, please emphasize all your near and dear ones to learn and practice Kayakalpa Yoga. You can easily learn Kayakalpa Yoga from your home by visiting the website kayakalpayoga.edu.in or by through Android app, and kindly recommended your friends and relatives. Our monthly journal Anboli is available in Android app. Download the Android app from the Play Store and get access to the premium content of Swamiji's speeches at your nominal subscription. Connect with us on Facebook and YouTube at Sky Yoga TV to listen to all past speeches to our professors for free. Karma Yoga principles of Vedatrium suggest donating 1% of income to the noble causes of the society. Let us be generous and donate to the World Community Service Center, either through the Anboli app or through our official website, vedatri.edu.in. Section 80G IT exemption are available for these donations. We take this opportunity to thank the donors who made such contributions. Now, let's move on to the question and answer session. We request the participants to stick to the questions directly. We request the participants to raise your hands. If no more questions from the participant sides, we can end the session now. Dear Sky meditators, let's come to Duriya stage to thank our professor for meditation and speech. For meditation, Professor Dr. Shanti, be blessed by the divine. Her good health, be blessed by the divine. Her loving family, be blessed by the divine. Her divine services, be blessed by the divine. For speech, Sky Senior Professor Dr. K. Perumal Sir, be blessed by the divine. His good health, be blessed by the divine. His loving family, be blessed by the divine. His divine service, be blessed by the divine. Once again, thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable thoughts this evening. Yes. Yeah, Radha Ravichandran ma'am. Yeah. Now, we would like to extend our heartfelt blessings to the meditators for their generous donation to the World Community Service Center. May the Almighty Force shower you and your family with good health, long life, inner wealth, peace, prosperity, fame, and wisdom. Be blessed by the divine. We are happy to bring online programs live from the Temple of Consciousness, RER, tomorrow, 10th October 2020. 5:25 a.m. 9 Center Meditation in Tamil, conducted by World Community Service Center Zalem Zoom, along with RER IT department. 6 a.m. exercise in Tamil. 7 a.m. 9 Center Meditation in English. 11 a.m. speech in Tamil. Professor Muthu from Qatar on the topic of Dinasari Varvil Arivin Payanpadu. 6 p.m. meditation in Tamil. 6:30 p.m. retelecast of morning Tamil speech. 7:30 p.m. Duryadhita meditation in Hindi. 8 p.m. speech in Hindi by Professor B. Rukmani on the topic of Sarva Shaktiman Dev, that is omnipotent God. Please share our regular programs invites to our well-known circle to get regular practice and get more benefit from our sky system. We thank our beloved President Padma Shri Arulnidhi S.K. Mailanandam Sir for his leadership and guidance. Now we are going to conclude our program. Let's preside with world peace prayer. May the world be blessed with plenty of rain, The farmers work to produce an abundance of grain. Let the practitioners of all trades prosper, flourish, and grow, and culture progress through the need to share and grow. Let the rules be beyond feelings of anger or fear, illiteracy, poverty, and all evils made to disappear. Let the true lamp of knowledge burn steady and bright. Our sense of duty guide us along paths always right. Be blessed by the divine. வாழ்க வளமுடன். See you all tomorrow. This is Sivashankari Naresh Babu from RER, World Community Service Center, IT team. Be blessed by the divine. வாழ்க வளமுடன். Good night.